With the 250i V2, we wanted to get back to basics. The 250i V2 traces back its root to the i1 that we launched in 2008. All these years, it's been having a great success, especially in Europe. After a decade of success, we thought it was ripe for a revamp. Over those last 10 years, vinyl resurgence has been big, and now we believe it made sense to add a phono section to it. This phono section is a moving magnet-only design, and it is based on what we can find also in our ACE, which is very successful as well. It's a great entry-level solution for listening to vinyl, but it's also super great if you're using with a DAC to listen to digital music. The thing is, and the thematic back to basic is, look at this product. There's no screen, there's no display, there's no gimmick, there's no DAC, there's no Bluetooth, there's nothing. Okay? The competition, what they're doing now is adding all kinds of things, but they're maybe losing what is more important, which is the music, the sound quality. Compared to the previous version, we have improved the electronics by using newer generation semiconductors in it. The whole mainboard has been redesigned, not only to integrate the SoundStage, but of course to integrate these new parts that weren't available at the time of the original design. We've also added a physical shield that separates the audio section from the power supply section. Of course, there's benefits because there's sensitive SoundStage inside, but even for the line level input, there's a benefit of having a lower noise because of that shield. With the 250i V2, we're very happy because we are meeting the performance and the price we wanted to make a very good product for the consumer, and because there's no digital technology in that product, it will not become obsolete. And so this is a great amount of value for a timeless product.